Sometimes in Excel, you're going to see that you have values and they have a green triangle in the top left corner. If you go to that cell and you click on it, you're going to see a warning appear. Before it looked like this, now it's a triangle, but it's the same thing. It's a little warning off to the side of that cell. If you click on the drop-down arrow, what you're going to see is an error message. So this is a number stored as text. Now, this happens to be a zip code, so I don't care. I could ignore the error. And now I don't have that mark. Usually I just don't even pay attention. But let's say that it was a number and you needed to convert it. So come over here and you click on the drop-down arrow and choose Convert to Number. And now, see how that right aligned? Now that's treating that as a number with general formatting. If you have more than one, let's see if this will work. You select the whole range and then choose Convert to Number, and it will convert everything in the range. So you don't have to do these one by one. Just select the whole range and then go to the top of that range where the error message is. I've gotten rid of them now, so we don't have that. But you select the whole range, click on the drop-down arrow, Convert to Number, and you're done.